some interesting questions and try to answer them by looking at the picture. You have been learning about roadways and railways, and we will practice using some of those words as we look at the pictures. Let's get started. Look at this picture carefully and try to answer the questions. How many people do you see in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many people do you see in the picture? 8 people. How many vehicles do you see in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many vehicles do you see in the picture? 5 vehicles. Can you name the vehicles in the picture? Look at the picture and try and name the vehicles. This is a cycle rickshaw. This is a van. This is an auto. This is a car. How many wheels are in the auto? Let's count. This is the auto. There are 1, 2, 3 wheels. There are 3 wheels in an auto. Have you sat in an auto? If you have sat in an auto, say yes. And if you have not sat in an auto before, say no. Let's look at another picture and try to answer some questions. Where is the train in this picture? Can you see the train?
For kids and parents.
Yes, this is the train.